This is my closet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install this compact wall mount ironing board. So we got some manual, so some different types of hardware depending, I guess, whether you're installing into drywall or concrete. These are useful. And here's what's inside the instruction manual. So it should be pretty straightforward, but let's get into it. So here's what it looks like unfolded. There's a little latch right here that it gets stuck on, and I think I'm going to put it right here somewhere. So let's drill some holes and get some tools and get this installed. I ended up finding my own screws because the screws they provided are super long, and I only have a 1/4 inch plywood over here that I'm going to be drilling into, so I don't want it to be, sticking out that far. I mean, I'll still be sticking out, but very little, and then I'll probably put some cap or something to protect it so that you don't, scratch yourself. So hold it roughly like this. Got it? Ask somebody to help you to hold the ironing board for you while you mark where the holes need to be put in, and then use the screws to drill them into the wall. Okay, thank you. Let go.
That's nice.
I did the corners first, so that way he doesn't have to hold it anymore. And now do the rest. Now let's test it out. So there's a lever here, and it goes down. Works great. Smash that like button and check out this video next. Let's test it.
Oh, it bends. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's cool. Give it that thumbs like.